Don't see her like that. Eh? Hear the talk. Don't see her like that. Otherwise, you go get them like that. You understand me? Let's wise up. When somebody they talk, don't talk quickly like that. If you talk like that, it means say you are a fool. When somebody talk, think. What the person talking? Why you talking? I've been a musician. Why they talk? See, we they promote Nigerians for it. They know they promote our songs for them. Why? That one is a problem. You will find some stupid people for Ghana to go to say, shut up, hey, Charlie Badman, make a tell you something. Not everything play outside, everything play outside. You see me, the way I make okay, I'm too okay, Charlie. The way I make okay, I'm too okay. The things that be funny me. Hey, but what are the need for music inside again? Say I want buy a house. But man, I'm too okay. I'm okay. They can't talk. Say, then if you talk truth, then some stupid people, they won't find something under the truth and talk. No, but shut up, but you know they do promotion like my nigga. You did my house. You did my world. You know computer pass me. And I just wake up, I feel say I for just do this because it did my brain, it reached my brain. So sometimes somebody charge my shit for me, they charge my battery. If somebody don't know Shatta Wale, if you don't know Shatta Wale, ask about Shatta Wale. If you don't know Shatta Wale, go Google, read about Shatta Wale. Everybody, somebody, tell somebody, anybody will be new to my life. If you don't say be Shatta Boom, so that way you and me the hustle from day one, from banana days to now. Yo, nigga, tell them say me I no be like he say. Some people they don't know say everybody and every country and every place and them a culture. You understand me? If you make lucky today, say today somebody they listen to your music, don't think say another musician no go come out. What are the talk? People listen sense. I say if you feel say you be musician, when you can't hit, or if you say another musician go can hit past you like that, then you no get sense. I dey tell you, today from Nigeria, tomorrow you go be for Ghana, next time Sierra Leone, next time Ghana. You no go be forever, my guy. Yeah, listen, you get the Bible inside. Everything for this world shall pass, unless the word of God. In that thing we go stay. So make nobody think stupid like that. Can't talk say Ghanaians they know they sing some way. Ghanaians we get culture. We get culture. When a culture things they inside. When a culture things they inside. Accept our culture, cause we they accept your culture. Don't come and date there and come and talk say we know they do music and they know they do. Fuck you, man, nigga. You know what? Sometimes it is funny me for like this country inside. We see how when our politicians they fight me, the country be well for we. So now if you watch parliament, see the way they fight for them every time. They fight because they need change. Make I tell you something, If you see anybody where he be a rich person, that person, you know, they fear to solve problem. If you see anybody where be a rich person, I say that person, you know, they fear to solve problem. Because when you solve problem, that's where you get your good results. Solving problem, be some of us wanna problem. Because we know they feel solve problem. Problem they worry you, we know they feel solve them. Bad man, don't do that. I don't got to tell you, don't do that. The fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. The fear of Jehovah is the beginning of wisdom. See, make I tell anybody where they watch me from anywhere right now, from anywhere in the world, make I tell you something. If you want to be my friend, you got to be truthful. If you ain't truthful, you can fucking be my friend, my nigga, because me, I be fucking real, and like sea sand. I be fucking real, and like salt. I be real, like sugar. I be real, like anything good talk say be real. I be real like that. I be real like car. I be real like ship. I be real like airplane. Don't see me like that. Don't see me like that. If you see her like that, go get her like that. Because if you saw you see her, don't see her like that. Don't try like that. I tell you post something. You understand me? All those things We people they talk for people in my brain, where they confuse people in my brain. This song, go change my brain. Bad man, don't come see her like that. Say because you today your song they hit for the world, so it's bad man. Michael Jackson style boy is they sing to the die, my nigga. Don't see like that. Don't see, you know the thing they going for the world. You know see don't say like that. If they talk say you they come here, they can't do business. We know if you do business for you there. But if you say if they come, they welcome you, they can't do business for you. If you say easy thing. I know talk say make I fly go Nigeria, go do promotion for them. I don't need Nigeria promotion for anything. If Nigeria feel say they no go promotion at Awale, fuck it. I don't need Nigeria promotion for anything. Bad man. I say people see things where we do for Nigerian artists. Again, Nigerian artists can't talk say, I can't Nigeria, I can't visit them for your house. And then they chop biscuit like that, man, nigga. No see her like that. If you see her like that, you get her like that. No see her like that. Don't even try like that. Don't even think like that. Because if you think like that, you get her like that. No try her like that. My nigga. We did that way we talk about business, you want to talk shit, bullshit and shit. And Ghana, the song where they sing Ghana. Oh shit, how many of your rappers go fit Sarkodie? How many of your rappers go fit Amrado? How many of your rappers, you know rappers rappers crazy, my boy Chimmy he crazy. How many of your rappers go fit my blood medical? How many? Nigga drop drill. Nigga start drop drill before Ghana rappers start drop drill. My nigga, no see like that, no see like that. Don't come talk see, man for do good music, man for Ghana artists know they do good music. No see like how you want me to see them? Maybe you say, order. When a country be different, the culture be different. When a culture, you know, be like what people they do for the people who do fine boy thing. But when a culture be wicked, Ghana music culture be wicked. Share. You want to go tell people where they maybe some place like Burundi or something. Say because of the way Burundi put it. Masa no see like that in my culture. Get the fuck shut up. Keep quiet, small boy. Keep quiet, shut up, boy. Can't talk see the type of music. Do you know what type of music be? Well, Salificator them they blow flute and saxophone and they take one Grammy. No, not say like that. Don't be stupid. Don't talk like that. These Nigerian fans. You go, if you can't do internet up and they talk bullshit, nonsense thing, nonsense. If you say what? Yes, it's your time today. Enjoy. But tomorrow will be another man's turn. Don't see like that. Don't see I can talk say and what. If man they talk something, you know the year. Do you know how many times this our industry people they feel talk negative about what you guys are doing? We see like, yeah, we have a culture. We have a culture that we also, cherish so much. Bad man. No see like that, no see like that. When it comes down, so say, no see like that. Ghana, it is soakings. You people for accept the soakings. Gary, Nido. Maybe you go put biscuit small for inside. Our body has to be so biscuit small, granite small, sugar small. It is soakings. When I industry, it is soakings. Take them like that, soakings, Gary. Don't come see like that way you do your own. You do have chocolate. You want me to go chop chocolate. Ghana will be soakings. We get rappers, we get singers, we get everything for inside the music industry, inside where we do. When I industry, here the discussion, it be soakings. Put cap for down. It be another material. Cap, the cap self we go put for down. It be another material. It be another talent. You put water for inside. It be another talent. Gary, it be another talent. Sugar, it be another talent. Nido, it be another talent. You go fit choose. Add granite, it be another talent. Then maybe add biscuits, maybe bonbon or cream crackers or something where they fit chew. Go fit add donut self to the Gary. It is so things. So with the chopper. Can't talk say then we want a music industry. You probably do chocolate, we see. Because every time, and the love, and my love, and your love, and she say, we understand, it be chocolate. We just do soakings, accept them. What's Nigeria, you put in the chop gari, you know the chop soakings for them. You know what make man bring soakings, they can't sell for you, like you put in the drink soakings. We all be Africans. It's not the fault for Nigeria. It's not the fault for Nigeria, my God. It's not the fault for Nigeria. We be brothers and sisters, uncles and aunties. Or if you say what? Go check history of Ghana. The history of the gas. The family from Nigeria. Me, my generation from Nigeria. Forget everything. If you don't see Fela Kuti for in a long time, he is back. This is him. Accept it or forget it. Not see all like that. Otherwise, you will get all like that. People say you want chocolate for this season. We say no problem. But we still we chop soakings. Or you know the season, if they do show, they refuse do show, then Saturday go can rap, then Stoneboy go can do dancehall, then maybe somebody go can sing, Kwabna go can sing, then maybe some girl go can do some dancehall. If it's soakings, that be our industry day. Soakings. You people your show, this one go come. My love and your love, the next one will come. The girl, the way you do, every time, girl, we understand. We be so nice, yes. No be you people go show we love. You know, get love past we. If you get love past we, you go to promote you for there. We will show you love. But we the suckings, where will they take show you love? Suckings. You post the chocolate. You know, if you give you chocolate, you can't be there, can't they talk, say, listen, some